First of all, apologies for the shirt. I totally forgot I had this on. Well, anyway, I'm around my folks today just to clean the driveway and finish all the cleaning. Last time I did my cleaning around the back, I used like a patio shampoo type stuff. It was a bit crap. And quite a lot of people said in the comments, just use bleach. So I've left the section there, which hasn't been done yet. And this is the regular British Domestos. So I'm gonna stick this in a watering can, gonna hose it over it, agitate it a bit, see what happens. So I'm just gonna stick some of this Domestos in here. This is how much I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna go one good squirt and another good squirt, and just one more squirt. I think I'll put about half a bottle of the bleach in there. Right, well that should be. Right, next step is it's all nice and frothy. Give that a bit of a squirt over. There's enough in there for one more go. Alright, it's agitated a bit. That should do. Right, whilst we wait for the 15 minutes for this to possibly do something, let's have a look at the back of my van. I got something to show you. Da 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 da. Oh, nearly lost my bloody fingers. Right, stay. Don't be a twat. Ta-da! Look what I got. I've got an Interpump WS 202 21 litres per minute. And I've also got a new hose. Not as heavy as the last one. The last one weighed a friggin' ton. But yeah, check it out. So, I was dragging it in and out with a trolley and all that, and that was doing my head in. I wanted to at least go semi-professional. So I got that. Now, I got the water pump around the back. I got the hose reel's gonna go there. I got a bit of a gap there. I have seen people where they put a petrol can there with more juice in it. But yeah, check me out. I'm going full on. That last one I had was shit. Well, the last bloody pump I had, because it was the equipped to clean. As soon as it turned up from quick clean, it was all right. But I had a flipping Honda engine or something, so I frigging got rid of that straight away because I had little faith. So I got a Honda GX 390 anyway. So now I got a proper pump. Now I got a proper hose. Now it's all going to stay in the back of the van. So I'm happy. Happy bloody campers. Yeah, year's just starting. Let's do it properly, shall we? Let me show you the tank. So no more with this thing. Now we got this thing. 400 litres from Anglian Pumping Services. But major problem though. That was preferable, but there. So fair play to them. I did mention it. I didn't want to take it back to them. Cost me £100 to post it back. So they're going to send me some fittings to cap that bit off and then stick it somewhere over there. Then we're sucking the red tit. And I haven't got to cart this thing back and forth anymore. Yes, that can bugger off. So I think I'll leave that for the pikeys to take away, because it's no bloody use to me. Looks like a bloody chair of some sort though, doesn't it? So let's have a fag, hang around a bit, and wait for that thing to sort itself out. Will it not? Possibly. It might work better on stone, so somebody said. Might have to be the next video. I know my friend across the road, Ruth, they got a bit of sandstone out the front. Maybe the bleach might work on that. 15 minutes is up. Let's hose it down to see if anything actually happened. Well, it's slightly cleaner. I got enough for another little bit, so we'll stick another little bit on. Right, so that was half a bottle of bleach. I think initially that bit does actually look a bit better. I don't think there's actually any need to wait for 15 minutes. It's not exactly hypochlorite or anything, is it? Do I wait 15 minutes? Is that going to make any difference? Or I just hose her off straight away? Ah, sod it. We'll give it 15 minutes. Here's your 15 minutes of completely uselessness. I'm spraying, actually, I'm going to get my camera for this bit. Because I am actually spraying a bit off. So see if you can see this bit get a little bit better. See there, that bit there is slightly better. Let's try a fresh bit. It did maybe. I think it is taking a little bit off. So yeah, definitely just saw a bit for there. Last bit. Yeah, it is a little bit. A little bit. But I wouldn't be happy with that. Yeah. A little bit come off, but still looks like shit. So there's only one way to solve it. So as regards to will bleach clean your concrete, agitate it with a brush? Absolutely no. You just got to get a pressure washer. Don't be stingy, get yourself a pressure washer. And don't get a Karcher, they're shit. Get a Nilfisk, they're friggin' awesome. Right, let's pack this up, and the next video I'll be showing you will be around the back. I'm gonna regrout the patio, which has been down now for about the last 8 years, but now it's starting to get a couple of little holes in it, so that's the next one. Unless I get my van finished, I get that up to speed, dunno. Like, and bloody well, subscribe.